Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. These are the ingredients we are using for our Lamugee drink. We are using some dried pepper. This is a cup of rice, half cup of millet, and then some ginger. We'll also be adding in some dried coconuts when the blending is ongoing. So these are the rest of the ingredients we are adding to the drink. These are our negro peppers, the cloves, some dried peppers, dried coconuts. We have condensed milk here. We also have brown sugar and then our evaporated milk. We have these bowls here for serving and our ladle. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. First off, we are going to pour them into these bowls here. So first we'll deal with the rice. And then we also do same for the millet. And we add in some water. And we'll do same for the rice. So we'll leave them to sit for about 6 to at least 12 hours, or you can do this overnight depending on when you want to make the drink. So I'll cover them and then we'll let them sit for some time. So this is how everything looks like. This is the rice after soaking it for 8 hours. And this is also the millet after soaking it for 8 hours. So we are going to wash this 4 times, rinse it off nicely, and then we rinse the rice once since there's nothing much in it, and then we continue from there. We are going to rinse the millet like I said earlier. We'll do this 4 times to rinse off every dirt. So we are going to start with the millet. The drink we are making it in 2 different ways. We can use only the millet for the drink, and you can also use only rice for the drink. So today we are trying the 2. I'm going to pour in the millet. Next, we'll add in some of the ginger. We are saving the rest for the rice. We'll add in some of the coconuts. We add in some of the negro pepper, which we soaked in some water. Some of the cloves as well. And then some of the dried pepper, which we also soaked in some water. We'll add in some water think this should do. Cover it up and then we'll blend. So we are going to blend. So this is it. With the same method, we are going to blend the rice and the rest of the ingredients like we did earlier. So I'm adding in the coconuts and then we add in some water to blend. This is also done. So this is it. This is the rice-based one and this is the millet-based. So we are going to sift it with our drink sift here. So this is what we've been able to achieve. We are going to sift it again with the cheesecloth here. So this is it. I'm going to sieve out everything that is left. So this is it after the second straining. It looks a little bit brownish or kind of a reddish hue than usual because in my household we love a lot of pepper. So we added in more pepper than the average one that is being sold outside.
Before we continue, I would be very happy if you can subscribe to the channel right now because it serves as a source of encouragement for me to continue posting more and giving you quality content.
We'll strain with the sieve cloth. There is nothing much in it as compared to the rice we strained off earlier. So this is the millet-based one after the second straining. You can see that since the millet is lighter than the rice, this is a bit deeper than this. Check this out. See. And then look at this. So we are going to be adding in the evaporated milk, our brown sugar, the condensed milk, and then we stir, add in some ice for extra taste and zest, and then we are good to go. So we are going to add in the sugar, half for each, the condensed milk, and then the milk. So we stir like this. This is the rice-based one. Then we stir for the millet-based one as well. There's some sugar on the bottom, so you have to stir for quite some time before everything mixes well. So we are going to add ice in. So these are the drinks. This is the millet-based one, topped with some ice, and this is the rice-based one. also topped with some ice. It's in glass bowls like this with glass, or you can go the local way with some calabash, the wooden spoon, and then the bigger calabash for the drinks, which we'll show in the next part. But we are serving with the glass for now. So these are the two drinks. We are going to serve them or transfer them from here into these jugs, and then my favorite cup here. We've already served some. This is the rice based, and this is the millet based. Compare the two, and then you see that one is a bit deeper than the other. This is very light and this is very deep, and they all taste amazing. You can also combine the two, and I'm sure you end up with something like this, which is the deeper version. So we'll serve it. So this is what we have finally. So I'm going to cover it like this, and this is our rice-based Lamugin or ZONKOM drink. So we have left for the rice-based, and then we are going to serve the millet-based one inside this jug as well. So we close it, and then I'll serve the rest into my favorite cup.
And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This year, I would like you to try every recipe that we post on the channel and then give me feedback in the comment section. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notification icon with the inscription all, so that every Thursday and Sunday if we post new videos, you will find it. And we post short videos from Monday to Sunday, so you can check that out as well. Follow us on all our social media platforms on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and here on YouTube by subscribing. Help us to grow this channel. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.